morning everybody. So today I'm in Koh Tao. So Koh Tao is about an hour, I think it was an hour and 45-minute ferry ride from Koh Phangan, where I was in the last video. Been here a few days already, but I haven't really been doing any exploring. Just been relaxing pretty much. But yeah, today is the day that we're gonna explore the island. I'm currently on the rooftop of my guest house. I think it's called Sleeping Guest House. It's about $20. Just thought I'd show you the nice view from here. As you can see, the island looks pretty awesome from here. Lots of nature. Even though I haven't explored it much, it kind of looks like a similar vibe to Koh Phangan. So yeah, that looks pretty good. And yeah, I'll probably just head in the hotel room now just to show you. So here's the room. Nothing super special about it, but we got AC, which is the main thing I need. We got a fridge, and they give us like coffee and stuff every day, so that's pretty cool. But the main cool thing about this place is that everything is made from like recycled things. So like all the tables and stuff, it's all made from like waste. So that's one of the main things here in this hotel. Basically everything's being recycled. Obviously not the mattress, that is a new mattress. They make that part clear, but yeah, it's pretty cool that they've made all this furniture from recycled stuff. So yeah, I didn't even know that before we stayed here. So yeah, anyway, I think we're gonna go and rent a scooter again now and get ready to explore the island. Alright, so we've arrived at the first stop. That bike that we got was $250 baht, just like in Koh Phangan, so that's around $7-8. And we also got a snorkel mask, which was 100 baht, so that's around $3. And the place we've come, it's called Freedom Beach. They tried charging 100 per person just to park, but I don't know, we kind of, yeah, we didn't really want to pay, and then they just let us come in for 100, so 50 each. And I think first we're going to be heading to some Viewpoint and check that out. It's supposed to be one of the best things to see here. So here is the view. Pretty incredible. I can see why people do this trail. It was only like 15 minutes. Just hard because of the heat, but it's pretty quick. So you can see it's almost like symmetrical. Got these two really beautiful beaches. And I think we're gonna head to that one soon. Too hot for trails, right, Carol?
Yeah, especially when you're sick.
Yeah, Carol's kind of sick. She's got a cold. So while we're coming up, I was like, do you really want to do this? We can just go back, but I guess since we drove here, right?
Yeah.
You wanted to do it? But I think now we need the beach. Need the ocean. How beautiful is that, Carol?
Very beautiful.
Very, right?
Yeah, I don't think we've seen those rocks anywhere else.
Yeah, so here we have these rocks. We haven't seen this kind of stuff in Southeast Asia before. Obviously not limestone, so yeah, here you got these mixture of rocks, this incredible palm trees, that ocean color there. So yeah, it looks insane. Kind of reminds me of what I think Hawaii would be or something. Hawaii.
What about that place, Seychelles?
Oh, Seychelles. Yeah, Seychelles has like rocks like that, so yeah, just really awesome here. I didn't know it was going to be this nice, to be honest, so it's a lot more beautiful than I thought. So we're here at Freedom Beach now, one of the beaches that you could see there from the top. So you can actually see we were up there. That was John-suwan Viewpoint. There's some people there, you probably can't see, but I can see 2 people there right now. And yeah, look, it just looks pretty amazing. Really not that many people here at all. It's a very small beach, but yeah, I guess in high season it would get packed, but right now, just like everywhere pretty much, really chill. And we can see some little fish in here. Like, so yeah, I think I'm gonna get the snorkel mask and do some snorkeling. So the snorkel mask is absolutely fail. Just water goes in. They didn't even give us the part that clips the snorkel to the mask, so just gonna try and get my money back later on because yeah, the mask's ridiculous. We might try and rent another one because it is supposed to be really good for snorkeling, and I saw there's quite a few fish, I just can't look at them properly. But yeah, here's beautiful Freedom Beach. So you got those awesome rocks again. Looks pretty amazing. So we're gonna jump back on the motorbike now. We're gonna be heading back to where we're staying in Mai Had, and yeah, we're gonna be doing one more trail. It's supposed to be pretty easy, and we're gonna be heading to another beach that's supposed to be really nice. So we're on the trail now. The beach that we're going to is called Snorkeling, and the only way to get there from Mai Had Pier is like through all these resorts here that you can see. Pretty awesome resorts, check it out. You got all these like wooden cabins. Looked really nice.
We'll stay here.
Stay here next time. Yeah, we could try. And we passed by our guest house to swap the masks. So this time I tested it and made sure that it actually works. So if you ever come around these areas or anywhere, always test your mask first. I should have already known that anyway because we've had so many bad masks. So hopefully there's some cool snorkeling to do on this beach as well. It's supposed to be a really remote beach. Like, as you can see, the only way to get there is a 30-minute trail. So I don't think a lot of people will be doing it. So here we got another one where it's like resort mixed into the rocks. Pretty cool. So I didn't expect this. When I read that it was a trail, I thought it was going to be like a jungle trail, but it's literally just been like a proper road the whole time, a few steps and stuff. Obviously you got to walk, you can't get here by motorbike, but yeah, I didn't really expect it. It's just so many resorts, just non-stop. So all the way down the coast, like hidden away. So pretty amazing places. We're here at Snorkeling Beach. You can see it's kind of like a relaxed little getaway. It is a resort or something, but not many people here at all. Got beautiful palm trees. You can see over here you have these like cool huts right on the beach. And this time I got a snorkel that actually works, so yeah, gonna do some snorkeling. Hopefully there's a lot of cool fish here. as you saw from those scenes, I also saw the shark quickly. I think it's called a black tip reef shark. That's one of the ones that they have around here. I think it's friendly. It just went past me really quickly. I think you saw it longer, right?
Yeah, I tried to follow him.
Yeah, I tried to follow him, but he just flew off. But guys, Carol has something to tell you. What happened, Carol?
I broke the snorkel mask. The mask. Yeah.
She broke the guest house snorkel, so now we can't do it anymore. And
Yeah, but all I do was take it off, and then when I took it off,
it broke. Yeah, so we don't know. Maybe they're gonna make us buy another one. We'll have to see. We decided to climb these cool rocks here. Get a lot better view of the beach right now. Check how cool that looks. And it looks like it should be sunset time soon. Sun's coming down right there. Has this been a good cure for your cold?
yeah, I'm already better.
Already better. That's all you gotta do, just do loads of hikes. Can I push you? Ready?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Into the sunset. Again?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
First attempt.
Yeah, my first ever attempt at slackline. How do you even get up?
You usually get up over there in the...
Oh, in the tree?
Yeah. I think, if you're not a pro.
Whoa.
Fail. Okay, let me try, but...
Can you do it?
Good job.
Alright, the professional.
No.
No? I couldn't even walk. Like, got zero balance. Here we go. Here we go, going down.
Porra, não me desconcentra.
Let me try again. Let me try again. Okay, we're gonna be heading out now. Don't really want to head down this trail with no light since it's about to get dark. Can you hear how noisy it is here? The insects. And this is our only day in Koh Tao. Well, we've been here 4 days, but yeah, it's my only day filming. We're gonna be heading to Bangkok tomorrow. Tomorrow is the start of Songkran, the Thai New Year. So it's gonna be like 3 days of celebrations for that, water fights and stuff. Probably, I didn't even know that was gonna be happening here, but yeah, we've come here right at that time, so probably the next video is gonna be some water fighting, I don't know. But I think today is probably the last day in Thailand of beaches. Until now it's just been beaches, 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 right? So we're gonna be heading to the north to Bangkok, and then after that probably heading inland to Chiang Mai and Pai. I think that'll be it for the Thailand trip. Bad time to film. Can barely breathe. Okay, yeah, but anyway, as always, if you like the video, just drop me a like, subscribe to like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.